Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn two important topics. First one, facility management, and second one is climate control. So let's see what is facility management. Facility management or facilities management, or in short it is also called as FM, is a professional management discipline focused upon the efficient and effective delivery of support services for the organizations that it serves. The International Organization for Standardization, in short ISO, defines facility management as the organizational function which integrates people, place, processes, and technology within the built environment with the purpose of improving the quality of life of people. This is important term, improving the quality of life of people and the productivity of the core business in conjunction with the auxiliary as well as the support services. Uh, let's see few important components of facility management services. In this image we can see important components of facility management services. First one, catering. Second one, safety protocols. Third one, library database. Fourth one, attendance. Fifth one, scheduling. Sixth one, asset management. Seventh one, maintenance management. And eighth one, place management. These are important components of facility management services. Our next topic is climate control. Climate control. One of the reasons we live in houses is to protect us from different elements. If it's cold outside, we like it to be nice and cozy inside. Likewise, when it's scorching hot outside, it's nice to be able to come home to cool houses, and we need fresh air regardless of the temperatures. The term climate control is used to refer to the way that we control the climate inside our homes. This is important term. We control the climate inside our homes. Those in the know commonly refer to it as HVAC. Full form of HVAC is that which stands for heating, ventilation and cooling. These are three main aspects of climate control, and basic components of climate control for built environment are basic heating and cooling technologies. First component, basic component. Second basic component, insulation, materials and passive design. And third component is air quality and ventilation. So these are three basic important components of climate control. So we saw facility management, facility management services, climate control and basic components of climate control. So thank you for watching this video.